In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Wix website. If you need to take your site offline temporarily, maybe you're redesigning, fixing an issue, or you just want to pause visibility, unpublishing is a safe, reversible way to do that without deleting your content. Start by heading to wix.com and signing in to your account. Once you're in, open your site dashboard for the website you want to unpublish. If you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the correct dashboard before moving on. The dashboard is your control center, and everything you need will be accessed from here. Next, go to Settings from the left-hand menu. This is where Wix groups important controls for your site. Scroll down until you see Website Settings. Inside this area, look for the Unpublish option. It can be easy to miss if you scroll quickly, so take your time and read the section headings as you go. If you don't see the option, make sure you have the right permissions for the site. Site owners and admins will have access to it. When you're ready, click Unpublish. Wix will ask you to confirm your choice. This confirmation helps prevent mistakes, especially if your site is currently live and receiving visitors. Go ahead and confirm. As soon as you do, your published site will go offline. Visitors who try to access your domain will see a simple message that says, "This site is temporarily unavailable." Your content isn't deleted, your editor remains available, and your design, pages, and settings stay intact behind the scenes. A few helpful notes while you're here. Unpublishing affects the live site only. It doesn't cancel any premium plans or domains connected to the site. If you need to pause billing, that's a separate action in your subscriptions and domain settings. Also, if your site includes features like a store, bookings, or a blog, those public pages and storefronts will no longer be visible while unpublished. Your SEO settings and page structure are preserved, so when you bring the site back online, search engines can recrawl as usual.